All right, so periodically I get asked about how do I deal with this play in your Safariland holsters UBL, the universal belt loop, right? So I forget the sizes, whatever size this is, you have that gap there, and you can see the movement, right? So it'll affect your draw and everything. So what you can do, Safariland makes something called the belt loop adjuster, right? And you can kind of see the skew there. And what it is this little plastic or folded plastic piece with a screw, and comes with an Allen key here. Just undo the screw. I'll show you on the other side. I've already installed one. So you can see how I fitted in the opposite hole on the other side here, looped it around, put the screw back in, tightened it down, and there's nothing sticking out. So you got to make sure you take the tail when you install it and don't stick it out, fold it in. Make sure I'm getting this for the camera. There's a little play there on the one side and not the other. So I just got to install one on the other side. So I'll just go ahead and show you. There's the Allen key it comes with. I believe it's the same Allen key that you adjust the other nuts for your holster. So go ahead and set that aside. Grab it again, loop it, and again, make sure which way you're feeding it through. You don't want to have that tail sticking out. I mean, it's okay, I guess, if you do, but why have extra stuff flopping around? So you just feed it through, wrap it around. Sure, I'm getting this for the camera here. There's a little bit of shadow because the sun's going down here. I just grab the Allen key with the screw on it. Down, and then you can see there's no more play. Safariland belt loop adapter. And at checkout, if you use discount code CORE10 STRUTZ, that's CORE10 STRUTZ, STRETZ TAC, CORE10 STRUTZ, save 10% off your order.